Hi, my name is Bill DeVilliers. I'm an electrical engineer and the founder of Energy Solutions. Our company was started with the intent to bring renewable energy to impoverished areas of the world. In these destitute areas, utility grids simply do not exist. Construction materials and a skilled workforce are rare. So we set out to develop a portable hybrid power system capable of being assembled with simple tools by people with little training and minimal effort in a short period of time. After 3 years of development, we introduced the Apollo hybrid power system, which consisted of a dual-axis portable solar tracker, portable lithium batteries, and a portable power conversion case. Our system has been evaluated for its potential to supply the combat electrical needs of both the U.S. Army and Navy. We've participated in a number of high-profile military demonstrations, including the Army Expeditionary Warrior experiment. But now, we think it's time to focus on the renewable energy issues closer to home. It's no secret that in spite of all the economic incentives from federal, state, and local governments, renewable energy has not achieved parity with fossil fuel generation. By far, the largest obstacle to widespread residential solar power adoption are the expenses associated with permitting, construction labor, construction profit, inspections, and others. Due to the piecewise supply of hardware, engineering, and construction, homeowners can't avoid these costs. Energy Solutions would like to present to the renewable energy community the Plug-and-Play 1K. The Plug-and-Play 1K is 1,000 watts of solar power. It's presented to the consumer as a kit that the consumer can set up with simple to understand and easy to follow instructions. Once assembled, this on-the-ground system requires only a standard outdoor receptacle through which it provides electricity to the home. What's more, the Plug-and-Play 1K system is built on our patented Apollo MMX dual-axis solar tracking technology. What does this mean for the consumer? It means that the 1K plug-and-play system is the most cost-effective and efficient means of capturing solar energy available on the market. It can produce 40% more energy over the course of a day than a comparable stationary solar system, and at present, the cost is about the same even before large-scale production. What makes our system more attractive than its stationary counterpart is the increased rate of return on investment for the consumer. I hope you'll support Energy Solution in our effort to expand the use of renewable energy in the United States, and by doing so, assist us in our mission to bring renewable energy to impoverished areas of the world. Thank you.